If you're a homeowner in Sterling Heights, you already know that property value matters, whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to make smart upgrades that pay off long term. One of the most effective improvements you can make is replacing old, inefficient windows. Replacement windows don't just refresh how your home looks, they can significantly boost its market value, comfort, and overall appeal. Strong first impressions matter. Curb appeal plays a huge role in home value, especially in competitive Sterling Heights neighborhoods. Old or damaged windows can instantly make a home look dated, while new replacement windows give it a polished, well-maintained appearance. Modern window designs offer clean lines, updated frames, and finishes that complement both classic and contemporary homes. When potential buyers drive up to a house, windows are one of the first features they notice. New windows signal that the home has been cared for and updated, which builds confidence before buyers even step inside. Increased energy efficiency attracts buyers. Energy efficiency is a top priority for today's homeowners, and replacement windows deliver noticeable savings. Older windows often allow air leaks, drafts, and heat loss, especially during Michigan's cold winters. Modern replacement windows are designed with advanced insulation, double or triple panes, and tight seals that help regulate indoor temperatures year-round. For buyers in Sterling Heights, lower utility bills are a major selling point. Homes with energy-efficient windows feel more comfortable and cost less to operate, making them more attractive and more valuable in the eyes of buyers. Higher appraisal and resale value. Replacement windows are widely recognized as a high-return home improvement. While the exact increase in value depends on the home and window type, many homeowners see a meaningful boost in resale price after upgrading. Appraisers often factor in window condition, efficiency, and age when evaluating a property. Even if you're not selling right away, replacement windows help protect your home's long-term value. Instead of aging windows becoming a negotiation issue later, you'll already have a strong selling feature in place. Improved comfort and livability. Home value isn't just about numbers, it's also about how a home feels. Replacement windows eliminate cold drafts, reduce outside noise, and create a more consistent indoor temperature. This improved comfort makes your home more enjoyable to live in and more appealing to future buyers. Sterling Heights homeowners appreciate quiet, cozy interiors, especially during winter storms or summer traffic noise. A comfortable home tends to leave a stronger emotional impression, which can influence buying decisions and perceived value. Low maintenance appeals to modern buyers. Older windows often require frequent painting, sealing, and repairs. New replacement windows are designed with durable materials that resist warping, peeling, and weather damage. Many options feature easy clean designs and finishes that stay attractive for years. Buyers love low-maintenance homes. Replacement windows reduce ongoing upkeep, making your property more appealing to busy homeowners who want move-in-ready convenience. Enhanced security and safety. Modern replacement windows come with improved locking systems and stronger materials, which adds another layer of value. Buyers in Sterling Heights appreciate knowing their home is secure, especially families with children or retirees looking for peace of mind. Upgraded windows also improve safety by offering smoother operation and better emergency egress options, which can be an important consideration during home inspections. A smart investment for Sterling Heights homes. Replacing your windows is more than a cosmetic upgrade. It's a strategic investment in your home's value, comfort, and future marketability. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enhance your living space, replacement windows offer long-lasting benefits that Sterling Heights homeowners can truly appreciate. From energy savings to increased resale appeal, new windows are a powerful way to strengthen your home's value while enjoying the everyday advantages they bring.